Alright, so let's go into extensions and search Flutter. And you're going to find this Flutter support and debugger for Visual Studio Code. And it's from the official developers. Okay. Hit install. And I also want you to search Dart. And okay, it's installing on its own. There are packets deal, come together. So let it install, and it's going to ask you for installing the Flutter SDK too. And you're going to select where to install the Flutter SDK. Okay, so what you need to do next is hit Control-Shift-P, which is going to show you this Flutter new project. You're going to hit that, and it's going to say could not find a Flutter SDK, so you're going to download it. And then you're going to select the location where to download this SDK. And I'm going to select my previous location right here. And let's just name it Flutter SDK. And now we're going to clone this Flutter SDK into this folder, and it's going to download. It's going to take some time. Okay, so as you can see, it's asking us to add the Flutter SDK to path. So just do that. And now we're good.